Greeting to everyone, the respected faculty and my dear friends. Today, our group is presenting on the topic strategy for the startup, navigating the path from the innovation to the market success. The startups are driven by innovation, but their long-term success depends on the choosing the right strategy. In this presentation, we will discuss the key challenges faced by entrepreneurs, the strategic frameworks available to them, and the critical decision required to achieve the sustainable growth. Next slide, please. Next slide, please.
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड हो गया तो
Uh,
नहीं कर
this slides
तो
highlights the this slides highlights the primary challenges faced by the startup. Many entrepreneurs train to the adopt the fast feasible strategy without proper analysis. As a result, they may lose the competitive advantage to better position the firms. This situation often arises due to the fear of deal and early strategic commitments with reduce the flexibility and limit the ability to provide. Therefore, it is essential for the startup to evaluate the multiple strategy options and the selected the one that align with their vision and long-term objectives. Next slide, please. So, this coming to the next slide, this slide introduces the entrepreneur strategy compass, which is based on the two key strategy trade-offs. The first trade-off, whether to collaborate with existing players or compete against them. The second trade-off, whether to build strong intellectual property, uh, protection, or move quick to capture market opportunities. These two dimensions together create the four distinct strategy path the startups can follow for the value creation and capture. That's all from my side. Next, continue the my friend Sachin will be continue the next slide.
Yeah, thank you. The intellectual property strategy. Intellectual property study means that a company create a valuable technology or innovations and protect it legally through patents, copyrights, trademarks, and the license it to others company. And instead of selling product directly to the customers, the company earns more money from the its idea for and technology. So the first one is the collaborate plus build a moat. It means that work with the many companies in the markets and provide them access to your technology. And next one is the build a moat. Means that a moat means a strong competitive advantage the competitors cannot easily copy. Patents and proprietary technology creates with protections. And next slide is the disruption strategy. Disruption strategy means that entering a market with a new and better business models that changes the industry and make the old companies obsolete. First one is the complete storm and hill. Means that challenge the existing companies, attack a small market segment first, grow rapidly from there. And next one is the example Netflix. Uh, Before Netflix, people are rented movies from stores like Blockbusters. Netflix started DVD by the mail services. And next one is the rent the runaway. It means that instead of buying expensive designer clothes, customers can rent them for a short time. Thank you for my next slide.
थैंक यू सचिन this slide explains the value chain strategy, which focuses on collaborating with the existing company instead of competing with them directly. In this approach, a startup does not try to disrupt the entire industry. Instead, it fits into the existing value chain and create value for the industries or improving a specific part of it. Startups that adopt this strategy typically focuses on commercialization and operational strength rather than trying to control the entire technology or market. Then the next strategy is architectural strategy, which is unlike the value chain strategy. The architectural strategy involves creating an entirely new value chain rather than uh, putting the value in the existing strategy. And it controlling the key component of that system. Entrepreneurs using this strategy often aim to build a platform rather than individual product. This strategy commonly associated with well-known technology companies such as Google, Facebook, etc., which created platform that connected millions of users and control a critical part of the digital ecosystem. The example discussed in the article is OpenTable, which is an online restaurant reservation platform. It is not only provided reservation services but also develops software for restaurant sitting and management. Thank you. The next slide is presented by Jyoti Prakash.
Thank you, Savagya. And coming to the four decisions, every venture must address these crucial domains to create and capture sustainable value. That is one customer. In customer, it identify target customers and understand their needs. It early adopts valid products and reveal idea customer profiles. Coming to the second, that is technology. Technology and customers' choices are interrelated. Investment must align with the value proposition and competitive positioning. Coming to the third, that is identity, culture, and capabilities. Create narrative about what company stands for, communicate expected behavior, and develop required capabilities. Coming to the fourth point, that is competitors. Define competition clearly. Choices determine whether to work with or against existing players in the ecosystem. You see an example of Amazon. Initially, it targeted books readers as beachhead for like the expansion, but database and search for long tail books focused on everything store identity with rentless price lowering competed against retailers with more choice, reliability, and lower prices. The next slide, please. And coming to the making the choice, it includes filling quadrants, that is identify strategic options in each compass quadrant through hypothesis building and testing. Coming to the second point, that is valid paths. Test feasibility, alignment, and team capabilities, clarify capital and commitment requirements. In alignment and purpose, it chooses strategies that best aligns with original venture purpose and founder motivation. Next slide, please. And coming to the key takeaways, the framework and overspread. The four strategies provide concurrent framework for escaping perceived realities and defining new environments. In shaping the environment, the entrepreneurs offering something significantly new have opportunity to reshape or create entirely different real. And coming to the alignment matters, strategy aligned with founder purpose motivates teams and uh, pursues stakeholders to travel chosen path. Thank you.
Thank you from that's all from our side. So thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.